All right, so today is another day, and we actually managed to get everything working in terms of the servo to be controlled by the potentiometer inside the Warthog throttle, and to be displaying all of that nice little package onto a OLED display. The problem we had yesterday is that we couldn't figure out how to actually get a logo and a welcome message to start our animation. And so today we basically found out, and I did it. I'm going to show you in a second what it looked like. So this is the startup boot up. It goes with the logo, then the welcome message, and voila. So now the servo is activated, and as you can see, we can touch the potentiometer and make the servo move. So that's really good, guys. So that's it for today. Stay tuned. Keep me posted for any comment. And of course, please like, subscribe, you know, the whole thing. Have a good day. Bye.